Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in sentiment around investing. A score of plus 0.44 isn't just a number, it's a signal that something significant is happening. Coupled with a momentum of plus 1.13, this indicates a strong upward trend over the last 24 hours that you won't want to ignore. Our API returns comprehensive insights, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the nuances of investment sentiment. This can help you identify emerging trends or shifts in investor behavior that could influence your strategies. Imagine integrating this data into your trading algorithm. You can adjust your investments in real time based on sentiment changes, optimizing your response to market dynamics. For all the details on how to leverage this in your projects, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.